Today, let me just tell you, officially, we have already finalized the location, and the location for relocation will be in the existing quarters of the Harijan friends who still, some of them staying there.
Sorkar Jilla haka live hoitrik nailar kalashimia karai ban Pynkynriah no Kawei pat Jaka balashna kelpang nakabenta kitu ki Briew ki bajisa athem Iewmawlong baro shikata. Iaki lepin bena do sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ba Preston Tinsong hadin kejingelang bat Menteri Ketanat Urban Affairs ke Sorkar Jala ba senyab halang dhar nalor u officer jong ke Sorkar Jala.
With the officials from the Urban Affairs, where the Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs is also here in the meeting, and with the Shillong Municipal Board as well as from the DC Revenue, after taking into consideration all issues. So today we have finalized the location identified by Urban Affairs Department for relocating of friends from Iewmawlong, from the sweeper lane, Iewmawlong. We have decided now that the relocation will be shifted in the existing quarters of the sweepers, here just opposite the LO quarter, which is, I think you all know. Right now, of course, we are also converted into the temporary office of Shillong Municipal Board, and now we have decided, and the Urban Affairs Department has brought all the details, and then we finalize that relocation will take place in the same existing place. So this is one issue which I would like to inform to all of you. And the second issue is, again, roughly Urban Affairs Department has already shown all the details of the building which needs to be constructed over there, and I'm happy to inform you that as per the technical report given by the Urban Affairs Department, it is possible to accommodate all the 342 families in the same place itself. So these are the two issues where we discuss, and now again I have instructed Urban Affairs Department to further bring us all the details of drawing, estimate how much it will cost for construction of these quarters, and that we have instructed the Urban Affairs Department as long as also with the Shillong Municipal Board to again submit to us all the details, and thereafter I will have a meeting with the HPC Harijan committee, maybe most likely towards the end of this month. Construct a flat system, a unit system, and we will have not less than 12 blocks in that same area, around 12 blocks, block A, B, C, D, so on and so forth, and then each unit will be allotted to those people already named even in the Honorable High Court. 342 families will be accommodated over there.